friends, if you see carefully, you will witness the use of science in each and every aspect of your life. Today we will understand how science is used in the field of photography. If you turn the history pages, science has produced numerous machines for photography from black and white to color. In the current scenario, science has made clicking a photo way so easy for everyone. Using your small and handy mobile phones, you can now click a high quality photograph and send it to anyone in any corner of the world. That is science for you. Friends, science has a huge impact on human lives. It actually provides wings to our imagination powers by its theories. Think of the many such instances that is impacted by science and share it with us. Hey there, hope you liked our video. Before you go, please click on the like and subscribe button. Please hit the bell icon so that you do not miss out on any of our interesting videos. Comment down below with what other topics would you want us to cover. Do share these with your friends and family.